Hey, baby bus!
Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and... Pick your cart. I want to bring these to class. Let's go get them. Yes, it's what pencil case. Hand sanitizer, notebook, water bottle. School bag, pillow. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks. Finish shopping. Get on the bus. Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome! We want to take an admission photo. All right, let's go change clothes first. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
Thank you.
Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
Thank you. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go. Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
And there's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
In insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
The bus?
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.